Stand back. There's a hurricane coming through.
The following six-man contest is a battle royal. Making his way to the ring from Raleigh, North Carolina, weighing in at 214 pounds, Hurricane.
We're moments from writing another page in the WWE history books with this six-man matchup.
Are you serious, Cole? You think this could be historic? Plenty of combustible elements involved in this six-man tag team match. Look out!
Anytime you have six of the best WWE superstars in the ring, you know history's going to be made.
And no exception here tonight. This could be a classic.
Make no mistake about it, this match will be one for the ages.
Switzerland, weighing in at 232 pounds, Cesaro!
Six of WWE's greatest talents will leave it all in the ring tonight.
This guy's got his work cut out for him here tonight. I can assure you of that.
Yo, it's me, it's DDP.
And from the Jersey Shore, weighing in at 248 pounds,
Diamond Dallas Page looks to be in tremendous shape heading into this one, King.
Well, you know, Michael, it must be all the yoga that DDP does.
Very curious to see how well these teams coexist in this six-man tag team match.
The master of the night.
I don't give a fuck what you think about it. I'd just as well kill you today.
And from Delaware, weighing in at 231 pounds,
An electric arena tonight in anticipation for this matchup.
I don't care who you are. You get butterflies each time your name gets announced and you're headed toward that WWE ring.
You mean the wrestling god got nervous?
Well, not me, but everybody else.
I'm cursed with the pain, knowing that I can't break the habit. I can't break the habit. A savior, not a slave. That I will never get it. That I will never get it. Narcissistic, antisocial. things to say make me loco, masochistic, suicidal. All these things make me homicidal. Truth is that I make you say you love me, you hate me, I don't give a fuck today. Isolate from everyone. People love hypocrisy, again I come undone. Kids, get away from me, get away from me. Paranoia, out to get me, won't forget the ones who betrayed me. Something for you, domination.
Social media has been a barge for quite some time about this matchup, but now we are just moments out from the start.
This guy's a stud. I don't see many losses in his future.
Something or someone trying to see. I need that much. There's gotta be more.
Looking for more from the man from the Jersey Shore, Diamond Dallas Page.
Yeah, the Battle Royal always delivers high-octane action. Life doesn't get any better than this. But hey, all I know is that we should sit back and enjoy. Another WWE show is underway.
You don't see that move every day. He almost took his head off with that lariat. Tell me your thoughts on Cesaro. He has absolutely no problem getting noticed. He's among the most bold superstars there are.
Well, I've seen competitors get lost in the shuffle with all that talent in the ring at the same time, but I don't think we have to worry about that here. Plenty of confidence being shown right now.
Hey, if you're not trying to stand out from the crowd, then you might as well just go home. I have no time for you.
There's the Bulldog. Oh, check that out. We have a first here this evening.
And that was awesome.
The Andre the Giant Memorial Battle Royal has quickly become one of the highlights of WrestleMania. And you're looking at the first man to ever win that epic match, Cesaro.
They can't take that away from him. Well, actually, I guess they could take the trophy away from him. Didn't Jack Swagger destroy it the next night on Raw? Anyway, they can't take the win away from him, that's for sure. The trophy, that's a different story.
What a display of unmitigated strength. The ring mat's in pain after that one.
Yeah, you're right. I think that hurt the ring and him. Cesaro has found an answer here.
Oh, I think this man means business.
And Rollins with the reversal.
Since winning the Andre the Giant Memorial Battle Royal, or more specifically, since Mr. McMahon gave him an underwhelming review on the Stone Cold podcast on WWE Network, Cesaro has been on an absolute tear.
Oh, kick to the midsection. Huge power move.
Cesaro is going to take a step back here for...
I've never seen him like this. What a dive.
That was spectacular.
When this guy's on, look out.
Oh, you're right, Cole. Cesaro has been on a tear of late, highlighted by him and Tyson Kidd beating the Usos for the WWE Tag Team titles at the first ever WWE Fastlane. Man, Seth Rollins, what offense.
Man, Seth Rollins, what offense.
Are you kidding me? Look.
He anticipated that move perfectly.
That wild strike found nothing but empty air that time.
Man, that's what you call swinging for the fences and missing. You know, Cesaro has an interesting relationship with WWE fans. They cannot stand the way he breaks all the WWE rules, but they love seeing Cesaro's unbelievable feats of physical strength, especially the Cesaro swing.
He's certainly showing us something.
And this match is over for that superstar.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
I don't like how slow he is to react right now.
I think he's through playing around.
Cesaro staggering some here. He can't be happy with how this is going right now.
Wow, these guys aren't giving an inch, but at some point, one of them got to start pulling away, which is what we might be seeing right now.
It's just too early to make a call at this point, Cole.
Yeah, I agree.
This match can still go either way. You know, Cole, in the end, the fans respect talent. They may not always approve of how a superstar achieved their goals, but they recognize phenomenal skills, and that's Cesaro.
What great action we've had in this match.
I'm absolutely loving it, Cole. Come on, aren't you? Look how excited you are. He's been eliminated.
Cesaro staggering some here. Looks to me like he's starting to feel the pressure, guys.
Well, these guys have been so tightly matched up until now, but this might be where that finally starts to change.
Oh, man, I didn't anticipate this match being as closely contested as it's been. You know, Cole, he's got to be careful not to go to the well too many times. You do remember wells, don't you, Michael?
Not really, but you are from Tennessee, so I get your reference. You still use them.
Yeah, but I don't go there too many times.
And there goes a superstar.
Looks like he's starting to falter. This is not where he wants to be right now, guys.
Wow, these guys aren't giving an inch, but at some point, one of them got to start pulling away, which is what we might be seeing right now.
That ego is really being put in check here tonight, Cole. And if you ask me, it's about time.
He's delivering an old-fashioned butt-kicking right here.
Oh, this spells trouble right here.
He clearly has confidence in that move.
Yeah, he's done it enough. When he gets going like this, there are few better.
What a counter that was.
And Rollins with the reversal.
Clearly on a mission here. Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
You're right. That was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here. And Rollins with the reversal.
Moves like that can upset your opponent more than hurt them. Cesaro with nice contact there. One of these guys is going to walk away with the win here tonight. I just can't imagine one of them also accepting defeat. What an offensive show by Cesaro.
Not this.
He's looking at it again.
The more punishment he takes, the slower and slower he is getting back to his feet.
He drops the elbow. He's struggling a bit here. I don't think this is how he envisioned this match going here tonight.
You said it, and he does not want to let his opponent gain some steam here and start to get the upper hand.
Well, he respects himself and this business too much to give up now, Cole. I think this one's still far from over.
And then he's endured heavy blows here. I don't know how much longer he can go. The referee may have to call this match, King.
Oh, my gosh, this is awful. I'm going to tell you something. Whenever you get hit like that, for the next 15 minutes, everybody you see has an exact twin.
The tension, the drama, This is electric.
Look at the back of my arm, Cole. Look at the goosebumps. I love this. Oh, that's it. This one's got to be over after that.
I mean, it looks to me like he's almost completely out. And Michael, given how evenly fought this has been up until now, this might be a pivotal point in this match.
That's a good point. And he's already gone to his finisher twice with limited success. Does he go back to the well again?
And there's the reversal.
That was a heavy shot.
Extra slow getting back to his base here.
Really pushing his opponent to the limit here.
He saw that one coming.
And Rollins with the reversal.
Look at the attack here.
Oh, man. Talk about a direct hit.
Going for the double play with this move. He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here. The Swiss Superman. Look at this power. Gut-wrench suplex.
He's amazing. How strong is he? Wait a minute. Is he going to do it again?
This is ridiculous. Nobody's this strong.
Gosh, he's got, what? Are you kidding me? A third time? Only he can do that.
Finisher. This match might be over.
What the? Oh, man. Here's a fact for everyone at home. All sorts of dangerous things can happen to you in this type of match.
Nice reversal.
He's pulling out all the stops tonight.
That's one less superstar to deal with.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
You're right about that, Cole.
I think that's, yes, it's an elimination. All good things must come to an end. But I wish that match could have gone on a little longer.
Flawless down the stretch. Big win.
That's a big win any day of the week, on any show, in any arena, Michael.
What an effort we saw here. Truly a